हैप्पी बर्थडे माय डियर हस्बैंड। आज आप 60 के हो गए, सठिया गए हैं। वैसे मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि आपको ज़िंदगी में सब कुछ बेस्ट मिले, पर मैं तो हूँ आपके पास। हैप्पी बर्थडे, लव यू।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bake.
Happy
Day to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday to dear Bake. You.
Happy 6 years birthday. Enjoy.
Enjoy Bake. Happy 16th? 60. Okay. Happy 60-year birthday. Enjoy. खूब अच्छे से रहो, खुश रहो, सुखी रहो और सबको सुखी रखो। छेड़छाड़ करते रहो तो जरूरी है, लेकिन सुखी रहो।
के एंजॉय करो, खूब खुश रहो। ऑल गुड विशेस। ओके।
Hello, number 4. Number 2, wishing you a very good birthday. Welcome to the elite club of plus 60. Though you have already enjoyed all the benefits of a senior citizen about a year back, but still I really wish you a beginning of a new innings. Enjoy the new inning, stay connected with your family, and start doing something which you should do at this moment. Once again, enjoy the day.
Hello Bake Bhaiya, wish you a very very happy birthday. Wish you all health, happiness, peace and prosperity. Wish you once again a very very happy birthday. You are retired from work but not retired from the family. Stay connected, stay happy, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Agrawal Saab, wishing you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with lot of happiness and very good health.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया, गॉड ब्लेस यू। मिस कर रहे हैं हम पार्टी टाइम।
जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे मोइसा जी, आपका गिफ्ट एकदम तैयार है, बट आपको उसके लिए दिल्ली आना पड़ेगा दिसंबर में, वो भी। बाय।
हैप्पी बर्थडे पापा।
लख लख बधाइयाँ, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Bache, happy birthday to you, happy birthday Bake, lots of love.
special, and it's even more special when it's of my Jeevan Paryan Chacha. So Chacha, happy birthday! Keep smiling, keep dancing. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Banke Fufaji. Hope you have a wonderful 60th and you're enjoying. We send lots of love. I feel fortunate to have you as a Fufaji. I respect and admire you a lot, and having you in my life has made my gap with India feel like a lot less. So happy birthday, and here's Sonali.
Happy birthday, Baba.
Happy birthday, Banke Fufaji. Congrats on reaching a milestone. You know, we wish you all the best. We miss you and love you, and hopefully we'll all get to meet again soon and celebrate. Can you say happy birthday? Happy birthday, Baba.
Okay,
Happy
enjoy.
birthday.
Happy birthday. Bye.
Bye.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Masaji.
Happy birthday, Masaji.
Happy birthday, Masaji.
Happy birthday, Dadu.
In other news today, retired bureaucrat Mr. Banke Bihari Agarwal turned 60 today, and in celebrations muted by the pandemic, numerous leaders nevertheless turned up at the farmer's Hyderabad residence to wish him in the hope of convincing him to enter politics. Our special algorithms correspondent Prachi Goyal reports from Hyderabad. Prachi, do you think he will join either the Congress or the BJP?
No criminal record.
A regional party then?
First language is Hindi.
Well, what about the Aam Aadmi Party?
They already have an IITN.
Perhaps he'll float his own political outfit then. He has immense political backing in Farrukhabad and Kanpur, and could emerge as a clean and credible challenger to Mr. Ajay Bish, whose administration has been rocked by scandal after scandal. I'd like to tell our viewers a little bit about Mr. Agarwal. From the IRS cadre of 1985, he has vast administrative experience. An 8-member group he led drafted India's first ever model GST law in 2015, and he is responsible for several reforms in tax litigation. Prachi, do you have any conflict of interest to declare? Because we at Bellevue News always take transparency seriously.
He's my Chota Chacha. He's disciplined, he's funny, he's eccentric, and today is his 60th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chacha. Happy birthday to you.
What cake are you having? Nation wants to know.
Hi Chachu, happy birthday. So here's my small toast for you on your 60th birthday. Just like fine wine, we all get better with ages. Or rather, we feel a lot better about our ages with lots of wine. I don't know how it's like to be 60. I'm almost halfway there. But when I'm 60, I would want to be like you. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Banke Fufaji.
Wishing you all the best on the 60th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Fufaji. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Pranam Masaji, for your special 60th birthday, we have special wishes for you today. Janamadinamidam Priyamasaji. Janamadinamidam Priyamasaji. Shantanotute Sarvadamudam. Shantanotute Sarvadamudam. Prarthayamahe Bhavatashayushi.
ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जया पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जया जीवनं तव भवति सार्थकम् जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम् भवतु सार्थकम्.
Hope you liked it, Masaji.
Have a great birthday, and there is something special coming up again.
Nanaji, these songs are dedicated to you. You need to guess them. One part and here's another. Nanaji, this is the second part. I hope you got the first song right. That was the second song, and you can guess it and write it down below. Have a great birthday, eat lots of cake. Love you, Nanaji. Bye.
मुझको इस गुलशन आलम में कब मिला आराम, फूल इस बाग का कब मेरे हक में खार रखा, फलक तूने सितम ढाए हैं लाखों मुझ पर, फलक तूने सितम ढाए हैं लाखों मुझ पर, इस सजा का तो मैं किसी तरह सजावार, लेकिन खार भी मिलते हैं और सजा भी मिलती है. बट द लाइफ गोज ऑन. जीवेम शरदा शतम कुर्वन्ने वे है कर्माणी. यू शेयर योर बर्थडे विद टू ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटीज, आयरन लेडी मार्गरेट थैचर एंड फिल्म एक्टर अशोक कुमार. उनकी तरह ही 60 के बाद भी समाज को बदलते रहो, समाज को कंट्रीब्यूट करते रहो, इस कामना के साथ कुर्वन्ने वे है कर्माणी जीवे शरदा शतम.
Hello, happy birthday, Chacha. Congratulations, it is your 60th. I still remember when we were kids and you used to live in Kanpur. Every time you visited us, you had some math puzzle for us. And even all the birthday parties you organized for Pankhuri and Utkarsh, it was a lot of fun because there were usually a lot of games and puzzles. So yeah, I mean, I think one of my favorite puzzles was the one where we had to make 5 with just 2 twos, and the one and I remember another one where I think Utkarsh ka first birthday tha in Allahabad, and I think we had to guess how many candies or toffees were in this balloon that you had made. So anyway, yeah, thank you for making math more fun for us when we were kids and making us enjoy guessing and making intelligent estimates. I've always looked up to you and wanted to become like you as a kid. So hopefully I've come some way. Happy birthday again and talk to you soon.
Are you 10?
Are you 20?
Are you 30?
Are you 40?
Are you 50?
No. You are 60.
You are 60. Happy birthday, Chacha.
Happy birthday, Chacha. Happy birthday, Chacha.
Happy birthday to you.
Have a great 90th, 60th birthday, Chacha.
60 साल के
Bye
बूढ़े 60 साल के जवान. Happy birthday.
Cupcake.
And what else? And send it to Bangalore so Daddy can eat it.
Yeah, send some to Bangalore.
Okay. Now just have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
No.
अनारकली बाखुदा हम मोहब्बत के दुश्मन नहीं, अपने उसूलों के गुलाम है. तकिया. Happy birthday to Nana. Happy birthday to Nana. Happy birthday to you, Ji. Nana. Happy birthday to Nana. Happy birthday to Nana. Mwah.